Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 15-DA031NS. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Take your new battery and place it into the compartment, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the back panel, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, once everything is back in place, power on your laptop again and check the battery status. You should see that it's charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision about any further assistance you may need. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15DA0031NS. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can significantly extend the life of your laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.